Hi guys, good day, it's me, Teacher MJ. Our topic for today class is all about comparing the following integers using the symbol less than or greater than. So without further ado, let's do this topic. Now before we answer the following examples class, we need to understand more with regards to the number line. Of course class, for number 1, we know that 5 is greater than negative 7. Because a positive number is always greater than a negative number. But what if you have example like this? You have negative 5 and then negative 7. Which number is greater than? So to answer that one class, we need to understand more with regards to the number line. Now for the number line class, the numbers going left to right, once again, the numbers going to the right or left to right, those numbers are increasing. You need to remember this one class. Numbers going left to right, those numbers are increasing. So therefore, we can say that 5 is greater than 1. Once again, 5 is greater than 1 because 5 is on the right of 1. Okay, once again, 5 is on the right of 1. Therefore, 5 is greater than 1. Alright, and the numbers going right to left. Okay, once again, the numbers going right to left, these numbers are decreasing. Okay, once again, class, the numbers going right to left, these numbers are decreasing. So once again, right to left, therefore we can say that positive 1 is less than positive 6 because positive 1 is on the left of positive 6. So therefore we can say that negative 6, once again, numbers going to the left, those numbers are decreasing. So we can say that negative 6 is less than negative 1. Negative 5 is less than negative 1 because negative 5 is on the left of negative 1. Easy as that class if you understand with regards to the number line. So therefore, we can say that for number 1, our answer, once again, positive 5 is greater than negative 7 because all positive number must be greater than a negative number. So positive 5 is greater than negative 7. Alright, for number 2, negative 2, what's the answer class? Negative 2 and 0. So once again, negative 2 is on the left of 0. Therefore, negative 2 is less than 0. Okay, once again, negative 2 is less than 0. Easy as that class. Because negative 2 is on the left of 0. Okay, and 0 is near all positive numbers. So therefore, negative 2 is less than 0. Easy as that class. If you have the number line, you have your guide. Very easy class to answer this one. Okay, number 3, negative 5 and then negative 7. So negative 5, where is negative 7? Of course, this is negative 7 here. So we can put negative 7. So negative 5 and then negative 7. Now, negative 7 is on the left of negative 5. Once again, negative 7 is on the left of negative 5. So therefore, we can say that negative 5 is greater than negative 7. Once again, negative 5 is greater than negative 7 because negative 5 is on the right of negative 7. Now remember this one class, in negative numbers, the greater the number of negative, the lesser in value. Therefore, we can say that negative 20 is less than negative 5. Because the greater the value of negative, that would be the less than in value. Or you can think it this way class with regards to the number line. Of course, negative 20 will be here. Okay, negative 20 will be here and then negative 5 will be here. Negative 6, negative 7, negative 8 and so on, and negative 20 will be on the left of negative 5. Therefore, negative 20 is less than negative 5. So that's the thing there class that you need to remember. The numbers going to the left will be less than to the numbers on the right. Alright, so positive 1 and then negative 1. Positive 1 is here. Okay, let me just erase this one for you to be guided. Positive 1 is here. And then negative 1 is here. So therefore, positive 1 is on the right of negative 1, therefore we can say that positive 1 is greater than negative 1. Easy as that class. Alright, and then for number 5, we have negative 10 and then negative 7. Of course, negative 7 is here, therefore negative 10, that would be on the left of negative 7. So once again, this is negative 8. So let me just draw this one class for you to understand this one. This is negative 7, right? Then after negative 7, that would be negative 8. Negative 9, and then negative 10. So therefore, negative 10 is on the left of negative 7. Once again, this is negative 10, this is negative 7. numbers on the left, that would be decreasing. So therefore, we can say that negative 10 is less than negative 7. Easy as that, class, if you have the number line. I'm sure, class, very easy for this one. Alright, so you try this one, class, and you put your answer on the comment section down below. Is negative 3 less than or greater than negative 6? You try this one and you put your answer in the comment section down below. Let me check, class, if you really understand our topic. Alright, so I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. You share it to your friends and to your classmates so that we can help more students. Once again, this is Teacher MJ. Have a great day, class. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye.